Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to find your UID on Bitget. So for finding UID on Bitget, you need to launch Bitget mobile application on your mobile device. Then just open Bitget mobile app on your mobile phone. Then at the top left corner, you have this discover button. Click on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you need to click on this arrow button at the front of your ID. Now you are here in the user center. Here you have three options: profile, security and notifications. You need to tap on profile. Once you click on profile, then at the top you can see UID option. At the front of UID you can see this code. This code is your user ID. You have this small copy button. Once you click on it, your user ID is copied. Now you can use this user ID anywhere where you want. So this way you can easily find your UID on Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.